Hey guys, so I just got out of the shower. Basically, you see how my hair, this is how long my hair is. So today we're gonna be doing bangs and how I do my bangs. I did just get a haircut. If you watched my hair video, which will be in my account, in my channel, I curl my hair backwards, but this time I'm gonna be curling it forward. But there's a little twist to it. So right now I'm gonna blow dry my hair. Before I blow dry it, make sure you blow dry it like this. Because we still want it voluminous. And by the way, I have like really thin hair, so yeah, I don't know if you have thicker hair. I obviously can't vouch for if it will work, but I mean, you can try and then let me know. But yeah. All right, so this is my hair, all dried. And I forgot to remind y'all, so when I do shower, I do spray a hair protectant. So if you do have one, make sure to spray it if you're gonna be using heat products. So I'm using a blow dryer and straightener, so it applies a lot of heat to my hair and just prevents damage. So yeah, so this is how my hair looks when it's all dry. So basically, we're gonna be doing the same tactic as we did last time. So if you have a straightener, set it to 310 or medium or something. I don't know. Just make sure it's around 310 degrees. When I do bangs, I do it a bit differently. Instead of going backwards, I'll go forward. And then I will also follow where my hair falls. So for example, like this hair falls down this way. So I'm gonna be doing it forward, but towards like this side of my head. So yeah, that's the only difference that I do. So you can start anywhere, but I start like in the back basically. So I have hair in the back, grab it. The back of hair, I'm just do it, go backwards. So you see that it's kind of like poofed. That's how I want the rest of my head basically. So I already did my back. You can barely see it, but it's curled. As long as it's not straight, because we basically want everything to feel cohesive. So everything has to be at least somewhat curled. So I'm gonna, you kind of want, okay, so if you want your hair super curly, like each strand curly, then you grab a small strand. So this is how much I usually grab. Go that. Forward. Just keep going and just you run out of hairs, let go. So yeah, that's how it should look. It depends what you want. This is how I do my hair. So look, oh yeah, that looks good. So this side of my hair. So this side of my hair is going down this way. So I'm gonna grab half of it, move the rest. And this one will be going this way. But also like kind of leading to the front. Yeah, so that's how it should look. So like since this is kind of, it's like on my ear, so I do curl it. I do curl it this way still, but also in the front. One's like near my side of my head too, so I will go like somewhat in front of me, but this way. So you really want to follow it, because I'll show you why at the end. And like, yeah, so you see that, so you could, like a lot of people do it from the front, but just move it. Just don't ruin the curls yet. Just move it out of your way. Okay, so I'm at the bangs, so I separate into 3. So 1, 2, 3. You do the same exact thing. Just don't burn your forehead. Okay, and then make sure to turn off your straightener and just double check some areas. So I missed some areas in the back. I'm just gonna go back in and do it. For your back, since you can't really see it, you're just gonna wing it, to be honest. If you see it later, just fix it if you can before you leave. All right, So basically that's it. That's how I do my hair. Okay, we're not done though. Now we're going to run your fingers through your hair. So you can just run it anywhere, because since if you straighten it correctly, it should like fall in place. So basically just run through it like this. Just do this. Alright, so that was like me fixing my hair, and yeah, this is how it looks. So honestly, it doesn't, so these curls will loosen a bit, but if you blow dry it right after you shower, like basically when your hair is damp and you blow dry it, then your hair will stay like this for the whole day. Usually I don't wash my hair. I wash my hair every 3 days. So this does last 2 days max. Like, yeah. So the day you do it counts as a day. So you can't do this before you sleep. But yeah, it does keep the curls. It does loosen up, and it still looks nice. Like, I don't really like my natural hair because it's very straight, but it'll keep my hair will be semi-curly like the next day. So yeah, this is how I do my bangs. I really like it with hats. It looks really good with hats if you like that look. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching me do my hair. I really like doing bangs because it covers my big ass forehead. But yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.